get murked. That lesbian shit, Mr. Turk, you fuck with me, you get hurt. Don't let me call my little nigga. I'm fucking little nigga. And niggas think they hard, but they really skilled, nigga. I got bitches on my dick. Man, I love them hoes.
Hey.
Take it off, bitch. Yeah, I mean them clothes, nigga. You wanna get exposed? Let me get my camera and she stand up for the dick. I call that national anthem. She scratching me on my back. That's just like a panther, nigga. I got a lot of racks. Let me throw it at you. I'm that nigga. Been that nigga. Might kill that nigga. I got them figures. I'ma spin them figures. I'ma drink that liquor. Got concourse on my feet. They clean, boy. Yeah, I'm on that lean, boy. Started from a dream, boy. Now this reality, boy. I'm about that green, boy. Bow right to your spleen, boy. Mama told me to get this money, so I do it for my team, boy. I got a rollie on my wrist. And it's fucking shining. All this money that I got because the nigga just been grinding. I didn't go see my probation officer. Now he be finding. Oh shit, nigga, I got rollies and riches. I got so much. Got a big screen TV. Niggas trying to come beat me. The bitch says she looks good. Now she wants to come and eat me. My TV is 3D. Top nigga, keep it low key. I don't fuck with all these whole niggas. I only fuck with them OGs. Try to come on my block, probably will get shot. Nigga need to be cooled down. Sometimes I feel like I'm hot. I feel like I'm better than anybody. Feel like I'm next to Pop. Nigga, yup, I got that roof, nigga, and I'm about to let it drop. Nigga, don't fuck with them cops. Never will fuck call them. Look at this young nigga from Fort Worth and been ballin'. Ballin' like I'm Johnny. Your girlfriend keep calling. I never pick up, nigga, cause I'm not trying to hear it. Okay, demon, I'ma sing. Yep, nigga, yep, I'm so clean. I told my mama I'ma get it, nigga, so this the fuck I mean. I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm riding around in that Chevy. I'm dropping all of them dimes, nigga, y'all call me McGrady. You can love or you can hate me, but a nigga still gonna be caking. I start from the bottom of the basement. Now my pockets big, they inflating. I said I had to get this money, nigga, had to start from the bottom. Now niggas at the top, nigga, and I'm fucking all of these models. What you say, nigga, I ain't gonna graduate that high school. Did you know I could do anything I want, niggas, this is my school. Yep, I look so fucking good, I don't even need no tattoos. Yep, I got me some pussy last week, still in a bad mood. I'm going crazy, I'm nuts. I don't fuck with none of these sluts. That niggas talking about got money, but I got too fucking much. I told my mama I'm a stunt. These niggas all been cunts. I told them niggas I'm back with it, and you know I keep that sack, nigga.
Kill it!